girl Kiki, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be something different. I'm doing a full face with only concealer and foundation. Also, if you're beginning to do makeup on your own, this is a good way to start doing makeup. You can only use foundation and concealer, and you will look fab. You don't have to have a full face with everything like shadows and concealer, and contour, with shadows and contour and all that, but you still can look fab without all that stuff. So before I get started with this video, go ahead, subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment below your thoughts on this look. Do you like natural looks, or do you like going all out, you know? And also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post my new videos every week. So you want to see how I did this look using only foundation and concealer, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm done my brows. So what I'm gonna do is prime my face, because even though I'm just doing foundation and concealer, you definitely still need primer. Don't just put foundation on your face, guys, without any moisturizer or concealer. I mean, not concealer, but primer. So for the foundation, I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and it's in the color Cool Nut Brown. If you have your foundation on, go ahead and get your concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal concealer in the color Fine. You can either go one shade above your skin tone or 2 shades. I don't want to go too light because you're not doing a lot of makeup on your face, so just go 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Now what I like to do for extra coverage is go in with another concealer, and I'm using the NYX Studio Photogenic concealer, and this is really good for, you know, covering your pores. Now I know I said I'm only going to use foundation and concealer, but I'm going to put powder on too, because you don't want concealer and foundation on your face all day without powder, because it'll start moving under your eye. And I'm not setting my face today, I'm just going to blend it in. Now, since I'm only using concealer and foundation, I'm going to go in with a darker foundation instead of my contour palette. And I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color. And what color is this? Super Mocha. I'm going to be using that for my contour instead. And I'm not putting too much, I'm just going to put enough. Now I'm going to spray my face with this rose water. Okay, so basically this is the final look for the foundation and the concealer, but obviously you can't do a full face without lashes, so I'm going to include lashes. Now I know I said only concealer and foundation, but guys, a look is not a look without highlighter. So yeah, I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight. Don't get mad at me, but yeah, I need my highlight. Last but not least is lip gloss. I can't leave my lips crusty and dusty like this, so I'm going to be using my Victoria's Secret lip gloss, my favorite. And that is basically it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very good way to start doing your makeup when you're first starting out. It's very easy. All you are using is foundation and concealer, so that's a very easy way to start out. If you don't know how to do lashes or shadows, this is a good way to start out. You don't have to wear lashes, but my look is not complete without lashes. And I did edit a little highlight, and I definitely need some lip gloss, so yeah. Foundation and concealer is the main point. No shadows, no contour, no extra, none of that. So yeah, this is the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I go, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below what you think about this look. Comment if you're going to try this out. Do you like foundation, concealer? Do you know how to do makeup? Or, you know, comment below anything, any questions that you have. Yeah, so this is the finished look, the final look. I will see you guys in my next video.